I was in one of the bigger towns near where I live the other day, and as I was on my way into the library, there was a class trip from a school, all making their way out. So I stood aside as they were all coming out. I'd say they were like first class, maybe senior infants. And it wasn't a Gael school. All the teachers and the kids, they were all speaking in English. But one of the kids looked up at me and goes, Dírit. And I go, oh, Dís Merkut, Conas Tha. And then the next kid in the line heard us speaking Irish, and he looked at me and goes, Tá Ucrasarum. And I go, Tá Ucrasart, Tom Long, go bail, which I don't think he understood, but he was delighted with himself. And then the next kid in the line just noticed that we were speaking Irish and just started listing Irish foods. Just started going, Shockloads, Capra. And they were just so delighted with themselves. I think they were just having fun with the language. They just realised that they could communicate with this language to someone that they didn't know. And they thought it was hilarious. They were so happy. And now, not to get all deep and moralistic and like apply some lesson on this just lovely little interaction, but I do think it's really important for kids to have opportunities to speak Irish, even really casually, with just people outside of school. I mean, this was technically within school hours, but speaking Irish that's not part of a lesson in class with their teacher, I think we put a lot of pressure on teachers. People go on about how it's the way it's taught, and it's just an unfair burden to just put on the shoulders of teachers. Kids are clever. They learn through example, they learn through modelling. So if they don't see the language being spoken outside of school ever, they'll start thinking it's not an important thing to pay attention to. So there I go, I've gone and done it. I added some moralistic lesson to the lovely little interaction. Ignore all that. That's just Instagram getting to my brain. There doesn't have to be a moral or a lesson. It was just a lovely little moment with some very cute kids. Okay, slán.